we are going to kick off with, I hope, some provocation from Northern Europe.
The Swedish theory of love. What does it say? It says that all authentic human relationships have to be based on the fundamental independence between people. Independence between people.
Independence strips you of the abilities of socialize.
Var finns dottern någonstans?
De har inte setts på 30 år.
Hur kommer det sig att en person har varit 2 år i lägenheten död?
So if you look at the upper, right-hand corner, you'll see one little solitary country up there. Extreme, right? Which is Sweden. A society of individuals. A society of individuals. A society of individuals. The Swedish theory of love.